Page 84, May Dance. The top of the page introducing you to some more new notes you need to learn. They call it the C pentascale. I simply call it the C 5-finger position, starting with the C above middle C, because we've been here before. Now we're just coming up here. And these notes they're showing at the top of the page, and the notes used in May Dance are up here. So you need to learn these notes. Well, hopefully the A and the D and the C you already know, and maybe the F. I don't know. But the G then is right above the top staff here. So let's talk May Dance. First, let's get the notes first. In the right hand, you're up here, and you're getting these notes. It's not too bad when they're in order like this, because you don't even have to read the notes. You just need to know which note you started on, which note you end on, and you play all the notes. However, you really need to, for a while, drill it in. Just play the notes, say the name. C, D, E, F, G, and do that again, then third measure. Then you have a rest, and then an F, D, and then a C, E together. Like so. So get the right hand worked out. Rhythm-wise, 1 and 2 and 3 and. 3/4 time. I forgot to say 3/4 time. It's in 3/4 time. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3. You get the idea, I hope. Left hand. C here. We're in that position. Really just a couple C's and a B. And that's about all you're doing in the left hand. Isn't that fun? Put the hands together. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and. Get the idea there, I hope? Don't make this hard. It's not hard. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. It's okay. Then we add the articulation. We have slurs and a staccato. Just come up on that. Don't accent it. People tend to do that when they come up. They put a little extra. Fight that. Don't. Just come up, but don't. So. Just a nice light wrist staccato going on here. Short. Side. Then we can add the dynamics. It's MF at the beginning. The first line is moderately loud. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand out of the way. Whatever you think moderately loud is. And then in the second line, it's soft. So it's like an echo. So the left hand has to be very soft. Then the speed, cheerfully. So be happy about it. It's whatever. Learn it first. And these eighth notes have to be even, so don't get too cheerful here, but otherwise cheerfully. It's my impression. How fast you go is a personal thing. It's up to you, but be cheerful about it. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes in the rhythms, even though I've already played it for you a few times. See, my concern is that you'll just copy what I do. And I would prefer you learn to play the music yourself first, and then check it with what I'm doing. But I'll give us 3 counts, so let's go slowly together. I'm not going to do the dynamics. 1 and ready and go and. Off. I'd like to play the duet with you. So again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C went up an octave. And instead of playing it here, you're going to play it up here. Now if you have a short keyboard and you don't have those notes, then you'll have to play it wherever you can play it. It's do the best you can, but otherwise there. I'm going to speed it up a little. I'll give us 3 counts. Let's play it together. 1, ready, and go, and.